In this video I'm going to show you how to contact Instagram support. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application, then hit at your profile picture and from here tap at menu icon. Then select Settings and here you have to find Help. Next, tap at Report a problem and from here tap at Report problem without shaking. Now here you can briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. Right there is a text field where you can write anything that you want. Like, for example, I can't post reels if you got that issue. And here also you can hit at a screenshot to make a screenshot of your problem, and also you can hit there at upload. It opens up your phone's gallery, and now here you can hit add some picture to attach that picture to your ticket. Then hit add next, and here in order to report a problem just hit add send report. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.